अक्षयचो मिलाग्रिस गोन्साल्वीस 2 महिन्या पयलीं बेपत्ता आशिल्लो. घरातल्यांची पुलिशेंत कागाळ. मजगतीं जीएमसीत एका अनवळख्याची कूड आयिल्ली. घरच्यांनी मिलाग्रिसच म्हूण वळख पटोवन ताचेर निमाणे संस्कारूय केले. आतां 2 महिन्या उपरांत मिलाग्रिस घरा आयिल्ल्यान घरच्यांक सूख दिणो धपको. तकलेन मातसो हालिल्लो मिलाग्रिस असोच भोंवतालो. भोंवता भोंवता मुंबय ठाण्या पावलो, थंयच उरलो. आतां परत आयलो. सध्या ताका अस्नोडा स्ट्रीट प्रोविडंट NGOच्या शेल्टर होमात दवरला.
Their husband suffering from disability. What happened now? We got a call 1st of January saying that sir, आमचा problem. So we told them, madam, don't come to our office. Do the paperwork online. And second, they brought the gentleman to our doorstep. We admitted him, and she explained the situation, which was very sad, which was very disturbing. But he is a person suffering from disabilities, maybe 30-35 years. His registration number is very old. He is so aggressive. His sickness only is such that it's an aggressive sickness. So he is not going to take medicine. It's going to be very difficult to look after him. This is a mental disability issue. It is not a family issue. They have not sold his property. They have not taken any insurance of it. A lot of negative comments came on various posts, which was not right. So he is in our home. He is very weak. He will require at least 1 year to stabilize. He has to stay in a shelter home now for the rest of his life because he requires medicine. No? Nobody has claimed that body also. See, you all press people should go one day to GMC morgue and check how many bodies are unclaimed per year. It is rising because of mental disability. See, the full picture, what I want to say, it is connected to mental disability.
Okay.
We have to solve mental disability, not solve on this problem.
Bureau report, Prudent.